berfau, verbs. Take a listen to this list of common verbs that you're going to encounter time and time again in the early stages of Dysgu Cymraeg. Mynd, dod, hoffi, gweld, clywed, gwrando, gweithio, teithio, darllen, cerdded, rhedeg, chwarae. Be careful of words that end in o, like gwrando, gweithio and teithio. Make sure they don't turn into gweithio and teithio. Gwrando, gweithio, teithio. Now listen to the words individually and repeat. Mynd, dod, hoffi, gweld, clywed, gwrando, gweithio, teithio, darllen, cerdded, rhedeg, chwarae. Here they are again. Mynd, dod, hoffi, gweld, clywed, gwrando, gweithio, teithio, darllen, cerdded, rhedeg, chwarae.